Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm gonna show you how to fix Snapchat showing login temporarily disabled. First, update your Snapchat. One of the easiest, most straightforward things to do if you're having a login issue on Snapchat is to check if the app needs any update. Launch the Play Store from your home screen and search for Snapchat. Tap Update next to Snapchat if there's a new version available. If there's an update for Snapchat waiting, it'll show up here. Then, tap Update to force it. Second option is reset your network settings. Another super simple fix for you to do is go into your network settings and reset them so everything is running smoothly. Launch your settings from your home screen and tap General or search for Reset. Tap Reset Network Settings. After you restart your phone, try logging into Snapchat again. Third option, uninstall or reinstall. Sometimes you need to start from the beginning and uninstall Snapchat. Once you've deleted Snapchat of your phone, then reinstall Snapchat the way you normally would through the app or through the Play Store and try logging again. Believe it or not, this techniques has worked for me the best out of all the three listed here today. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.